Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about break statement, part of programming in C course. The break statement in C is a control flow statement that allows you to exit a loop or a switch statement early. The break statement immediately terminates the innermost enclosing loop or switch statement in which it appears and transfers control to the next statement following the loop or switch. Here is an example of using the break statement to exit a for loop early. In this example, the program prints the number from 1 to 10, but the loop is terminated early when the value of I becomes 5. The break statement is executed and the loop is terminated. The output of the program is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the loop was terminated at I equals 5. The break statement can also be used inside nested loops to exit an outer loop early. In this example, the program calculates the multiplication table of 1 to 10. When the multiplication of I multiplied by j is 50, the program breaks out of the innermost loop and the message is printed. The break statement is very useful in situations where you want to exit a loop early based on a certain condition. It is an alternative to using goto statement, which can make the code difficult to understand and maintain. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.